Hello Cancer, welcome to Brutally True Tarot, and this is your reading from 3rd of March to 9th of March. So let's check what are the messages for you in this period. Messages for Cancer. Queen of Pentacles. Knight of Swords. Two of Swords. Three of Wands. And the Devil. Okay, Cancer. So here we have the card of the Devil. So in your situation there could be a third party situation, and of course it could be anyone. When I say third party, doesn't mean that it has to be something related to love or someone who is romantically interested in the third person. But here with the card of the Devil, it could be anyone who is not happy with this relationship. It could have something to do with the family of your partner or friends or someone. It could be anyone. So here the Devil is trying to break something. I mean, your person is Knight of Swords. They are mature. They know what they are supposed to do. They know that they should take their decision wisely. This is not someone immature, but the Devil is trying to manipulate their mind. And I feel like someone is trying to create difference between you and this person. Because I feel with this Two of Swords, someone is pretending to be too good. Someone is trying to be over friendly with your partner. Someone is trying to prove that they are actual well-wisher of your partner. But in reality, I see that they are plotting something. They have some sort of, what can I say? They are thinking of taking advantage of your person. Because with this Two of Swords, this friendship is growing even stronger. This bond is growing stronger. These people are coming together, but I don't think that it's going to work, because here you are Queen of Pentacles, Cancer, and with this Queen of Pentacles, you are someone who is trustable, who is there with this strong, what can I say, you have this attraction. You have this strong magnetic attraction that this person cannot ignore for long, and whatever they are going through, whatever the Devil is going, it's not going to work, because Cancer, you are someone who has been there for them all the time. They know that they need to settle down with someone like you. They need to have you by their side. They know that this Devil is temporary. Don't think that the Devil is actually fooling your partner, but your partner is trying to fool the Devil. I don't know what kind of situation is this. Your person is being a player. They have this advantage. They have the Devil at one side and the Queen of Pentacles on the other side. The Devil is temporary and the Queen of Pentacles will be always with me, because the Queen of Pentacles is everything that I want. This person is being selfish, Cancer. It's up to you what you choose for yourself. But for now, this person is keeping options, because somewhere they know that they cannot do without you. You are their lover, you are their need, and at the same time the Devil is here. So what's the harm in getting closer to someone who could be a player as well? It's like this person is playing mind games and your partner is enjoying that, and they are also getting involved in it without being ashamed of what they're doing. I feel like this person doesn't realize that this is something that they shouldn't be doing. And with the Three of Wands, I feel like this person is not looking at the future. They are short-sighted and they don't know what could be the consequence of this, and it's like they're taking you for granted. They think like they can get away with anything, but the truth is that Cancer, they cannot do without you. If they have this in mind that they can lose you over this Devil, they will certainly be cautious about what they are doing. And with the Three of Wands, they are thinking of getting somewhere. They are planning something. They are looking at the future with you, and at the same time, they are getting closer to someone else. It's a complicated reading. However, this is not going to resonate for all, and the energy could be reversed as well. And you can check your moon and rising sign as well. So let's go ahead and check some more messages for you. Messages for Cancer. Knight of Pentacles. Ten of Wands. Ace of Pentacles. Ten of Cups. And Five of Cups. So here we have Knight of Pentacles. Certainly there is someone else as well, Cancer. I mean, I don't feel like it's a third party situation, but it's a four party situation, because someone else is taking interest in you. Probably this is someone who is a close friend, or you have known this person for a long time. It could have something to do with your ex, or someone whom you have known just in your acquaintance. But still, this person feels like that they have a chance with you. They want to be the Knight of Pentacles for Queen of Pentacles. They know that something is wrong. Maybe you are sharing about all this to someone, and Knight of Pentacles is getting all the information about this. They feel like that you are not getting treated right by this person, and they want to make sure that they make you feel better, or they are trying to get closer to you. It could turn into something, Cancer. It's a really complicated story, but someone wants this opportunity for themselves. This person sees this as an opportunity. With this Ten of Wands, you might be feeling like it's getting too much for you to handle. It's a lot of drama to handle. And with this Ten of Wands, you feel like you are all alone. You are carrying these wands all alone. But the truth is that, Cancer, that it's all in your head. Because I feel like you can get rid of this Ten of Wands anytime, because if you tell this Knight of Swords that you are not going to tolerate this, they will have to behave themselves, or you don't like their friendship with the Devil, it will work for you, because you are Queen of Pentacles for both of them. Maybe Knight of Swords take you for granted. They feel like that you will be there no matter what you do. That's why they're doing this. And Knight of Pentacles is already there to help you with these wands. So you need to ask for help, Cancer. It's like you are trying to hold everything inside you. With this Ace of Pentacles, your wishes are granted, and all you need is to just take it. Okay, you need to give your hand, and universe is offering you the gift. So right now, you need to accept what is being given to you. So with this Knight of Pentacles, someone might make you feel like you are the one, you are someone special, and you deserve much more. With this Ten of Cups, everything is good here. Your family is there, your friends are there, you are enjoying, you are having good time, and apart from your complicated relationship in this week, you are happy, you have everything. And with this Five of Cups in reverse, everything is there, people are interested in you. Still you are thinking that why I don't have these two cups, why my person has to deal with the Devil, why are... So it's because you are not objecting, Cancer. If you object, this person will know that what their boundaries are, and they will respect it. It's all about how much you express this week. So let's check an oracle message for you. Odin, psychic insight. Your third eye is open. See truth for what it is. Follow your intuition. So right now, Cancer, you know everything. You know who is who, and see truth for what it is. You know the truth, and you need to accept that. You need to figure out what you can do in this situation. Follow your intuition. Do what your mind and heart tells you, because they are the best. These things will guide you the best. Your intuition will guide you the best. You need not think about anyone else's advices or anyone else's opinion. So this was the reading for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.